I am Ilaria Capua, and I am the director of the One Health Center of Excellence at the University of Florida. Here at the University of Florida, we have looked into One Health from a different perspective. And actually, we are trying to look for the new frontiers of One Health. If you look at One Health, the way it is represented today is an overlap between the health of animals, of people, and of the environment. Actually, if you think about One Health should have a much wider area of overlap than as it is currently represented. And this was actually already identified as one of the possible explanations by Hippocrates, who, with his theory of the humors, had actually thought that everything is interconnected. If we look at One Health and we give it, though, another dimension and transform that Venn diagram in a tridimensional object, and we add time into this, we can see that over time, the One Health concept has changed, and it has focused on certain areas in which animal health and human health were very close. For example, during the 15th century with the studies of Vesalius and the studies of Pasteur in the 17th century. And then after that, around the 18th century, John Snow identified that cholera could be transmitted through water, and therefore the environment again became another important component of One Health. Nowadays, we are in the era of globalization, and we are certainly undergoing significant changes with climate. These two elements bring enormous changes that influence the health of humans, of animals, of plants, and of the environment. We therefore have to move the One Health concept from a flat concept to a tridimensional concept that can therefore show us that One Health is evolving, and we need to drive the evolution of One Health in a direction which is in line with the Millennium Development Goals. And therefore, thanks to the big data environment and to the enormous capacities that we have now, I would very much like to see, and this is the new challenge we have, how we can bring the big data environment into a bigger picture of One Health.